All right, thanks a lot, Nick. Right now, pregnant women in Missouri could really struggle to get a divorce.
But that could soon change. And Matt Stewart is live outside the Jackson County Courthouse to explain. Matt?
Good morning, and let me begin by saying it's not against the law in Missouri for a pregnant woman to get a divorce. In fact, she has every right to file for a divorce. But Missouri lawmakers say that many times a judge will not rule on a divorce proceeding if the wife is pregnant, preferring instead to wait until the baby is born to rule on that divorce. Well, all that could soon change. Yesterday, the Missouri House voted 147-0 to pass a new bill that would bar a judge from using pregnancy as an excuse not to rule in a divorce petition. Now, the bill was introduced by House member Cecily Williams 2 decades ago. While pregnant with her 4th child, she sought to leave her abusive husband, but she said the judge refused to rule on the divorce until after she gave birth, forcing her to continue to stay married to a man she said was putting her pregnancy at risk. Statistics show that up to 30% of pregnant women experience abuse. According to the CDC, homicide rates are 16% higher amongst pregnant women. Health officials say that many times their abuser doesn't want to be a parent or doesn't want to share attention with a baby, so they'll beat up the woman, putting the baby's health at risk. This tendency from Missouri judges to not allow pregnant women to divorce their husbands goes back to 1973, when the divorce laws in Missouri were first put in place. Many judges, as I said, want to wait until after the baby is born, so that way it's easier to determine custody rights. Plus, the woman can stay on the husband's health insurance to pay for delivery. But others argue that women should legally be allowed to leave their husband anytime they want in the marriage, and they shouldn't be stuck in an abusive marriage just because she's pregnant. They also want divorce court judges to quit asking women if they're pregnant during divorce proceedings, something that many judges do. Here's a look at the new phrase that lawmakers want to add to Missouri divorce laws. It says, quote, "Pregnancy status shall not prevent the court from entering a judgment of dissolution of marriage or legal separation." So basically, it's a little more black and white, giving judges the okay to rule on divorces if the wife is pregnant. By the way, the Missouri House passed this unanimously last year as well, but it got stuck in the Senate and did not get passed there. So Missouri House members, after passing it yesterday, really hoping that the Missouri Senate will take up this bill and pass it this year to make sure that, as I said, it's black and white, that judges can rule in divorces when the wife is pregnant.
All right, Matt, thank you.